Welcome back to BestCare Forum. In this video, we are watching the life story of one or two of our patients who lost their leg, but losing the leg and the amputation, it is not the end of the life for them. They learn how to fight and how strong to go back to the life and to take their share from the life and to be happy with the family, to be successful, to study, and to be also important and useful member of the society. Stay with us.
Hi, I'm Christoph Eckermann. I'm a physiotherapist at Otto Bock in the Competence Centre in Duderstadt. We have Feridun here with us today.
Hi.
Tell us how you ended up having an amputation.
I had my amputation when I was 6 years old. I was on my way to kindergarten and a lorry driver hit me. My leg had to be amputated in the hospital then. Unfortunately, I wasn't lucky enough to have a physiotherapist show me how to take proper care of my scar and residual limb at the time. But I'm happy that this is different nowadays.
How did he feel right after the amputation? What went well or didn't go so well?
Nothing was easy at first. I had problems with my scar and my skin, as they also had to get used to the stress first. But I didn't give up, and I continued to train and do exercises.
Ferry, have you any last tips?
Yes, even if things don't go well at the start, don't give up and keep on trying. Life goes on.
I hope you liked the first video. You got the message from Mr. Feridun. You never give up, even it is difficult, but definitely you gonna get the solution for that, and you have to be strong for your life. In next video, the 55 years old lady, very successful from Holland, she will explain to us about functional cosmesis. Let's go for it.
I'm an HR manager and give a lot of presentations. In my job, I think it's very important that you don't pay attention on the prosthesis. You can live a real good life with all the things you can do as a not disabled person. The relationship with my daughter is perfect. We can have a lot of fun and she has a lot of humor. Vienna is so nice. Beautiful old buildings. Shopping was nice. With the new Functional Cosmesis, you don't see the prosthesis. It's incredible. I accept my prosthesis as part of myself. With the Functional Cosmesis, it's easy to rotate the knee. It's very, very nice because I can put the shoes out and on, and it's great for my back. What I like is that I can kneel very easily because the kneecap protects the knee more than it did at the old way. With the leg as I have it now, it's more easy for me to wear short skirts, short dresses, because you don't see it that much. It's more like a common leg, more than my own leg. It looks so much better. I found a very nice gala dress and we went to the concert hall. It was great. The Functional Cosmesis is perfect. It works with the leg. I do recommend it because it's very nice. I'm very happy with it. It's like a normal leg. And what I love is that it's the shape of my own leg. It's so important for me.
You want to see the experience of other patients? Let them explain to you a little bit about the details.
I'm not the type of person who wants to stand out, so I'm happy to have a custom silicone cover that gives me the freedom to decide for myself whether or not to stand out. Hello, I'm Katya. I'm 43 years old, and this is my daughter, Lotta. She's 15. We do a lot together, but our biggest shared hobby is shopping. Because we're always on the go, and not just when we're shopping, the prosthesis gets a lot of use, which isn't a problem with the silicone cover. It's also great that I can always wear different shoes. Open, closed, always match to my outfit. My new silicone cover gives me the confidence to wear skirts, shorts, and open-toe shoes in the summer without feeling like I stand out.
Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope the experience of our patients in this video will help you also to be happy and not to give up, and to know that losing a leg or an arm is not end of the life, and you have to be strong, you have to continue fighting, and you can be also successful. You have to be strong, you have to take a therapy, be able to get back to the normal life. With BestCare Forum, we will be always more than happy to be with you step by step, to show you from the beginning where to go, which treatment to take, which components will be the best for you, and we'll share with you the experience of other patients, that you will know that you are not alone. We are with you as a professional medical team, and we are well trained to help you to go back for the new life, to be happy with your family, to be successful, and to enjoy your life. Thank you for your trust. Thank you for being with us. Love to see you again very soon. Thank you.